Soccer DBB number 91, 2016 Stadium Cup Premier. One box, teams are on the right. 2 autographs per box. Looking for some dual autographs or case-hit autographs. Also some nice members only parallels in there, which are really hard to hit. I think they're 1 per case usually. Had some good boxes today, so maybe we're gonna be lucky with this one as well. Actually, this product isn't too bad. Of course, it has lots of same hits, but you can also score big on this one, so that price is not bad. I wish I would have base 101s. That would make it nicer for people who are going for rainbows. So. Alright guys, good luck. Here we go. Stadium Club Premier. Let's see. We got gold, Diego Costa for Chelsea. And Sergio. Oh, we got a red coming. What's that? Mark Noble for West Ham. Wow, hat Mike nicht West Ham verkauft? Ah ne, das war aus der Premier Box, ne? 2 of 50, Mark Noble. West Ham United, that's a nice hit. West Ham ist Ole, sowas, genau. The stats kann die bestimmt gebrauchen, frag ich mal. Alright, still looking for first auto. Come on, give us a good one. We got Jermaine Defoe, Sunderland. We got Sergio Aguero. We got Harry Kane. Oh, I didn't check if I missed the gold. Oh, here's the autograph. Johan Berg Gudmundsson for Burnley, last spot, and that is Mike. Menu spot. So here is no. The Golazo Aguero City. We got Firmino. First day issue. John Stones for City, also last spot. Man City spot. Giroud. Golazo. Mesut Özil gold. Arsenal. We got Dusan Tadic. Southampton. Come on, give us a case hit auto in this, please. Bournemouth, Charlie Daniels, sorry. You got Andre Gray, Burnley. Here should be the last auto. Come on, please give us a case hit. That would be nice for today. You got Marco Arnautovic for Stoke. Gold, David Silva, Man City. And first day issue is Firmino. Here is Tom Cleverley autograph. Damn, Tom Cleverley for Everton. And it's also Mike Kevin. So both autographs going to Mike Kevin. Right. Tom Cleverley for Everton. Congrats on the hits. That's it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.